How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video here at the Superish Mario channel. Today's episode is going to be very unique. I'm going to be trying to eat a very flaky croissant inside of a very nice vehicle. We're at an undisclosed location, and we're going to be doing kind of a video review, car review. Not really, but it's kind of like the final video on the 964 Turbo because it's going to be actually sold, unfortunately. These cars are expensive. They add up, especially when it's in need of some TLC. So yeah, we're gonna be driving that thing today. We're gonna be doing a little walk around. This thing's mint. It's a beautiful car. 964 Turbo, black, tan interior. A lot of stuff has been rebuilt on that car. If you guys saw the first few videos, you know how nice it is. And yeah, we're gonna be taking it for a spin. Hopefully kind of doing some cool little pulls, some drive videos. My cousin, who's the owner, just pulled up now. Had you guys on a dumpster. There he is. So let's get to it. She's alive. That is a beauty, and not even in the beauty we get to film.
Such a big deal.
Sheesh. This one's for sale. Fab Speed. Thing's buttery. Look at these door cards, interior. 27 on the dash. So you know you had to get the speed lines PPF'd. So the whole front end, windshield, and the whole car. This thing is mint.
Bad boys, what you doing?
So everything's original in the car. All the TLC that went into it was saved. And yeah, it came out mint. We'll take it for a spin. These are the speed lines correct, period correct wheels. Everything's basically original on this car. You threw the original wing back on?
Yeah.
It was rocking the, what was that, a 3.6 or a 3.8 wing?
3.8.
It was rocking a 3.8 wing, but 3.8 RS wing, but now it's back to original. So we'll let it warm up and take it for a spin. But man, this thing is so clean. It smells like the 90s in here, which is pretty insane. The door ping. It's so quiet in here. It's like a little rocket ship. Yeah, this one we did some rebuilding. Pete's Custom Coach Building. Shout out Pete and his crew. They did all the magic on this car, most of it. And yeah, it's a cool one. It's definitely got some character. It's kind of a holy grail car. We're gonna take it for a spin, kind of feel what these cars are all about. This is my first time in this car. First time in a turbo air-cooled. So that's the one reason I really want to get this video, in case we did have a buyer tomorrow. Just I want to be able to experience it and get some clips for you guys, because the barn find actually sold on Bring a Trailer, and there was kind of no closure to that series. So yeah, we'll at least have someone for this. So let's go take it for a spin. But the 930s are probably way worse than this. This is at least like pretty clean, smooth. Oh my goodness, it's crazy when that thing kicks in. Just screams. This one, it's like it doesn't feel like the other cars.
Like the speed feels so scary, but it's like
doable,
smooth.
Everything's tight though. That's what's really good. It's not like the other projects where it's like doink 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 doink. Whip it? I'll whip it for a little bit. Nothing crazy though. Woo.
Mario, how does it feel to be driving your house?
I'm driving. That's exactly what I was gonna say. This is the purchase price. I mean, on the low end, this thing can sell for the purchase price of my house before we remodeled it. So I guess kind of crazy actually. I'm driving a house. Oh man, we're going to the sun. Sketchy part is
you're gonna turn.
So everything is just so smooth. Even the steering is so much better than some of the other cars, but clutch action, the brake action is better. I mean, dude, this thing's just crazy. That stop sign's not for us, right?
No. Mario.
I mean, this thing just feels. It feels.
You gotta push. You gotta push it farther if you want to feel that lag.
We'll go third.
There go the snails.
Oh, yeah, this thing is. The brakes were good too. How is this dude gonna go right in front of us, bro? During the pool too? I mean, whatever.
I'm having a hard time.
I didn't want to slam the brakes to like warp the rotors or anything, but to be honest, this car probably could handle it. I like it though. It's dope. I get it. I get why people like these cars a lot. It's just, especially this one. It's tight. Turning, let's do a little. It's probably the second person's air-cooled other than my own I've driven. So your second car, I've driven your 86. What was that one? The modified one? No, 79. So the 79 was cool. A little more shakier than this because it was just kind of like wasn't a true.
It wasn't refined.
It wasn't refined.
Like...
That car was cool, fun to drive, had its quirks, but this one's just another level. This is just insane. So thanks for Roman letting me drive this thing. I probably won't drive like another 964 turbo in a while at least. I mean, it's just kind of like, I get why people think it's kind of one of the holy grail cars. I guess when people first kind of roasted 964s, maybe it was because of, I don't know why people roasted them actually when they first came out. Purists roasted them for some reason, but I mean the shifting feels good.
Because of the,
like, I don't know, you just can't beat this, honestly. Even like the shifting is smooth for being an older car. And this transmission, this is a G50 still.
So because everybody roasts the new Porsches because of all the tech.
Yeah, so because of the tech, but I mean this thing.
It had power steering and you know all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, but I mean the steering is so light in the front. And all these people that know these cars and drive them a lot are probably like, what the heck is this kid talking about? Fun.
That whole engine was gone through, man.
Yeah, the whole top end was rebuilt, right? This thing looks so good. Can't beat black. Black 911 air-cooled. You've been in enough videos to say what you think about the car.
Oh, it's like, you know, how do you say it? It's different, and it's such a special car. That's the hardest part of letting it go. It's just, you know, you can go all day and get one of those.
Yeah, those all day,
really
dime a dozen. But these things don't come by that often.
If you come buy one, it might not be as clean. It might be cleaner, but they go for crazy premiums. Gotta think about the family in the future.
Priorities.
Yeah.
Life's priorities always seem to be the thing that most air-cooled 911 owners come across at one point or another. Even for me, I got so many other projects. I'm down to the 2 air-cooled, and it's even tough with just a couple. Yeah, I just want to make this video kind of touching base on this 964 turbo. It runs perfect. You guys saw how she drives.
This thing is as clean as it gets.
Medina Junk got some free advertising.
Hey man, they hooked me up.
They did? That's good. They can get some advertising. Yeah, it cleaned up well. It needs nothing. A buyer potentially is coming. We are still gauging how serious he is, but if he does get it, he's getting a good deal. The market's kind of fluctuating right now, but
I think the market's gonna pop on these.
It's gonna pop
any year now. In
a good way or a bad way?
In a great way.
In a great way. So
if you have one,
maybe the guy won't come and he won't pick it up, and we'll just hold on to it, and maybe that thing will sell, right? But that thing is also so sick.
Yeah. But that thing you can do with anything.
So yeah, that's about it. It's a quick little video. Appreciate Rome giving me a chance to take this thing for a spin. I was driving legit my house. I actually bought my house for like what you're thinking about selling that for.
Bought my house for cheaper than that.
Really?
Not this
the
one,
first one.
Yeah.
We're out here driving houses. So be sure to stay tuned. We got some more stuff coming this year. It's been crazy, but there's always something that's coming. Random videos, but that's the best way. Be blessed.
Be super.
Peace out.